Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing a quick vegetable stir fry which requires very less oil and you can have it as a meal for dinner or for lunch in your weight loss journey. This quick stir fry can also be had as a side dish with roti or rice. In this recipe, I'm not using any sauces and you can use any fresh seasonal vegetables of your choice. And to make it protein rich, I'm using mushrooms. You can totally avoid it if you don't prefer and use green peas or even French beans instead. So let's get started with the recipe. I have sliced one head of a broccoli into small florets, sliced 2 carrots into bite-sized pieces, 100 grams of mushrooms, 6 green chilies which I have slit into half. Now you can increase or decrease green chilies to suit your taste. Heat a cast iron wok with 1 tablespoon virgin coconut oil. You can use any unrefined oil of your choice. The coconut oil I am using is locally sourced, hence I am unable to give you any buying links. Once the oil is heated, add in 8 to 10 garlic cloves, the slit green chilies and then give it a mix. The oil will get infused with the flavor of garlic. Now add in the carrots, broccoli and stir well. Remember that the heat is on high and cast iron retains more heat, which is a must when you make vegetable stir fry. Now keep stirring it on and off and add in pink Himalayan salt as needed. Mix well and note that once the broccoli starts to cook, the color will change to a much darker green. Add in the mushrooms and stir well again. You can see that the broccoli has a deep color now. Since the flame is on high, keep stirring the vegetables on and off. Once the mushrooms are cooked, add in 10 to 15 shallots for that extra iron and folate. They also will give a nice crunch and that is the reason why I am adding it towards the end. Note that since I am using a cast iron wok, the vegetables does get cooked pretty fast, and since my wok is well seasoned, less oil is needed to stir fry the vegetables. Always remember that cooking in cast iron pan helps in better iron absorption. So if you have iron deficiency anemia, try to cook at least one of your meal in a cast iron cookware. Now at this point, I'm turning off the flame as the vegetables are nicely cooked, and I'm adding in 1 tablespoon organic coconut vinegar which I made at home. I have already shared the recipe of homemade coconut vinegar. Links will be updated at the end of the video. Now if you don't have access to coconut vinegar, you can use apple cider vinegar, but make sure you use the one which has the mother. The mother is actually a healthy gut-friendly bacteria. I have already shared the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. All the links will be updated at the end of the video. And lastly, add in 2 teaspoons roasted sesame seeds. Mix well and the vegetable stir fry is ready to serve. Transfer to a bowl and have it as a meal for dinner or for lunch or as a side dish with roti or with rice. So guys, do try this healthy and quick vegetable stir fry and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.